Okay, here we go. Which is gonna be the shortest line? I don't think either one of them are gonna be short. Let me get a better spin now that the ground is all nice and swept clean. It's a little scalloped, but you know, hey, life goes on. What did I catch? Oh, that's the antenna. Stupid. We don't touch antenna, remember? Antenna bad. Okay, let's see what we've got that's holding us up. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, and, come on. Did we? I think we did. That's it. All the wiring's out, minus the antenna line. Sweet. We did good. All right, well, I'll be back, guys, with rewiring. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We're starting to feed everything through with the new harness, which is absolutely wonderful. Love it. We're getting through there. So now, the company that makes these, which is phenomenal, it's that company. Not that I know anything about them. I'm not promoting. I don't get paid for this. I just like the product. Okay, here we go. So they made a spot for the antenna to go through. I already ruptured the hole with a screwdriver. So let's see if we can do this one-handed. I doubt it, but you never know. Ooh. Is it working? I think. We ruptured the hole. Yes. Yay. Let's see if I can do it like this. Hold on. Good God. Drive everybody crazy. Can we do it that way? Okay, here we go. So, and there we go. Sweet. Now we'll feed it through. And this one's going to be just a quick one. I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, I love the harness. It is absolutely amazing. We have already pre-plugged, pre-connected holders, labels. Even an idiot like me can do this. I mean, even everybody can do this. All right, guys, I'll let you go for the moment. I'll come up with more when I can. Okay, ladies and germs, here we go. I mean, gentlemen, I gotta stop saying that. Well, I could have said cock and, ooh, no, that would have gone over too well either. Okay, here we go. So we have the new sensor wires for here. We've routed the new harness to the other side, and we've plugged in the sensors for here. We have the new wire, as you can tell, sticking out of the other side for the other door jamb switch. We have, hopefully you guys can see that okay, there we go. I have the grommet in place, the antenna's in place, all back in its factory holdings, routed, and we followed everything through under the carpet in its proper spots and holders. And I'm just draping everything here until we're ready to start doing the harness for the inside of the car, which will be a little bit yet. I'm running a little behind, had other things to contend with. Here we go. Okay, so now, here we go. And we did a little bit of cleaning. It really is a pretty vet. It's got its issues, but we're getting her there slowly. So she cleans up really nice. There's the harness for the lights. Here's the engine harness. There's the interior harness. And of course, we're working on the taillights. So let's get our handy dandy shop roller. Here we go. And let's see what we've got. Okay, get some light. There we go. Okay, that just looks so much nicer. Nice fresh grommet. We'll have to try and do something with this deplorable antenna line. Make it a little more pretty. We'll have to do some fuel lines still, so I'm not putting anything in the back yet. How did I push that through? There we go. There we go. So we are gonna tuck this up. Or, well, no. Let's see if we can just... Because I can always route it a little bit more under the dash. Or just make some room in general. Okay, that keeps it tucked up out of the way. So now we've shoved it in. Bump. Yeah, I know, I was late on that one. So we'll trace our lines down. And like I said, I really, really like this kit. It is so easy to use. Everything is ready to go. I just got to trace its lines. Get them in place. Clamps. Lock them in place like they're supposed to be. And this thing's going to be pretty under here. And we got some cleaning to do yet. But we'll get there, slowly but surely. Okay, guys. Well, I know I'm a little behind today. I'd normally have more done, but like I said, had a lot to deal with. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.